In honor of today being the last day of Pride Month, I decided that I will be reading some of my homophobic comments. Someone needs to turn him back to default settings. Well, I'm not an iPhone, I'm a real human, and I'm pretty sure these were my default settings. Fatherless figure, truly a disgrace to humanity. Well, I do have a dad who was very present, but it seems like you didn't. So let's keep it quiet before I find your dad and sleep with him. The power of Christ compels you. Compels me to do what? Suck dick. Should've stayed straight, not gonna lie. Sorry to break it to you, but I never was. And this one is just too long to read. You can read it if you want, but he's saying basically to repent my sins, and today is the day of salvation. No, today is the last day of Pride Month, and I also already know that I'm going to burn in hell.